Well, you know what time it is, right? It's Millennium County time. It's also 9:30 at night. Anyway, this is episode 36, I think. We're moving right along here with these episodes. Anyway, I wanted to show you my first state bank that I built. It's from Summit Soft in Louisiana, I think. They're expensive models. I paid $118 for this model, but I'll tell you what, it's very nice. And this here, the rolling marquee, I built that myself. I printed the actual base and the face, the part that holds the, they're actually badges, you know, for like going to meetings or whatever. They're name badges, but you can program them. So I did this one and programmed in that. And it's really cool. It's on both sides. I don't have the other side on right now, but it does actually roll on both sides. The same message, of course. And like I said later on, I could always reprogram it anytime I want to say whatever I want. But it's really cool. As you remember those time and temperature boards? It's kind of like that, but this one doesn't do the time. It just got a fictitious temperature and traffic alert, and you know, open up a checking account, you get a free cell phone. That would be cool if they actually did that, wouldn't it? So, but anyway, I did a really nice job on this. I added some of my own touches, of course, on the bank. On the roof, I used the sandpaper, you know, the wet dry. It comes out so much nicer. I mean, it just don't see any other way to do it without it, you know. And I might start doing that to all my models. I've done it to a few of them already. But ultimately, I think I'm going to do it to all of them. They got a more realistic roofs on them. There's a different shot of the bank. And there's like, you know, some underneath parking. I wanted to orient it a different way so you can utilize the drive-up window that's over here right there, but I kept bumping it every time I walk around here because, you know, my fat butt. So I decided to turn it around. And I kind of wish they would have gave me more letters for the First State Bank. They only gave me one set. Oh, here's the other side of the marquee here, by the way. Like I said, I don't have it lit up right now. For some reason, that one doesn't start when you put it in. You got to hit the little button that's hidden to start it. And since I don't have it on all the time, that's kind of a pain in the butt. But I may fix that at some point. Let's see, what else have I done? I've got my Wayne Brothers Ford dealership there. I still got to get it lit up yet. Same with the Jiffy Lube in the back. I got so much stuff that I've got to do here, you know, as far as electrical goes, but we'll get to it eventually. Let's see. Oh, there's my engine shed all lit up. And I added a couple of things in there. I'm going to see if, well, I don't know if you can, I don't know if we can see that in there or not. No, not really. I actually added a lathe. And it looks like it could be another drill press. I'm not really sure. And then there's a desk in there. So I don't know how much of that you can actually see. Yeah, it's tough to see. Anyway, it's in there. So, let's see, what else did I do? Oh, I got some billboards. They're kind of cool. I put those together last night, actually. I got one there. And I've got, let me zoom right in on this one. I got that one here. Like I said, I don't know how clear they are for you to see them on the video camera, but so I got that, and I've got another one over here. So I put up three of them all together. There we go. Like I said, I don't know how these cameras, they don't do good up close. Not really. But anyway, so we got them in there, and let's see what else did I do. I think that's about it actually for the moment. But let me see here. I showed you the Amtrak and the Kentucky Fried Chicken, but never actually showed you the Domino's. It's all lit up, and I've got some people in there buying pizza. And I've got the Dairy Queen grilling show, and I don't think you can see the people in there too well, but there are people in there doing business as well. So that's I think that's all I got right now. So this is just a short update to let you know what's going on. Let me turn this around so get my ugly mug back in here. There we go. So, hold on just a second. Let me pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just had to reposition my mic. I had it tucked in my shirt, and it's on a short cord, and I didn't feel like dragging out my 30-foot connecting cord for the thing, which I usually use. I wish I'll have to buy some shorter cords, maybe a 10-footer or 5-footer, and anyway. So, congratulations once again to the winners of the logo contest. I will be getting your shirts out shortly, so please be patient. And I've gotten your response as far as sizes and the addresses to ship them to, so I hope to send them out probably no later than late next week. But so just be patient, you'll get them. And I can't wait to start utilizing that can't talk. I can't wait to start utilizing the logo. I have to do a shirt for myself too, and I'm going to see about getting some of the water slide decal sheets that you can run through the printer. And I'll start printing up stuff to maybe put on locomotives, or the logo on locomotives, or train cars. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. But that's the ultimate idea to kind of get them everywhere, but not too crazy. So I can't think of anything else. I think that's about, like I said, that's about it for now until I get more work done. It's a little slow. I got so many things to do these days. I just renewed my driver's license. I got doctor's appointments for the rest of the week. They want to keep an eye on me. Such. Just a million things to do. So I'm going to wrap this up for now. And as always, keep it on the rails. And we'll be talking to you real soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.